Here you can see this one is the central sulcus. Now this one is the precentral sulcus. This one is the post-central sulcus. Now this one is the precentral gyrus, post-central gyrus. Then these are the superior, middle and inferior frontal gyrus. And here you can see this one is the intraparietal sulcus, superior parietal lobule, inferior parietal lobule, and this one is the occipital lobe. Now this one is occipital lobe, parietal lobe, frontal lobe. Now here you can see this one is the lateral sulcus and this one is the lateral lobe. And now here you can see falx cerebri that lies between the two cerebral hemispheres. And now here you can see these are the tentorium. This one is the tentorium cerebelli that lies between the occipital lobe and cerebellum. Now here you can see inferior surface. Now this one is the interpeduncular fossa. Now in interpeduncular fossa you can easily see the circle of Wheeler's. Now here you can see on the anterior surface of the pons in basilar groove. This one is the basilar artery. This one is the basilar artery. Now here you can see this one is its posterior cerebral branch. This one is the posterior cerebral branch. Now this one is the posterior communicating. Now here you can see internal carotid artery, and this one is the middle cerebral artery. Now this one is the internal carotid and this one is the middle cerebral artery. Then now here you can see anterior cerebral. Now this one is the anterior cerebral artery and this one is the anterior communicating branch. Now here you can see this one is the interpeduncular fossa, optic nerve, optic chiasma, and this one is the optic tract. And here you can see posterior cerebral artery.